up, Wagoneer lovers? My name is Garrett, and today I'll be talking about the new plugs and wires that I got from rockauto.com. So let's get straight into it. So I ordered the plugs and wires both from rockauto.com, and I went with the Denso brand for both of them. And the ones that I got for the spark plugs, they're called the Denso Iridium Power Spark Plugs. And to show you guys on the Rock Auto website exactly where to find it, I went to the ignition section after I typed in 86 Grand Wagoneer, and then I went to spark plugs. They have a lot of different options to choose from, ranging from 91 cents per unit, platinum, copper, double platinum, iridium. I went with the iridium. I wanted to give my Jeep the best of the best that Rock Auto had to offer. I got it at $4.75 a piece. And some of the features that it has is it's a tapered cut U-Grove ground electrode, and it has a 4mm iridium tip. And then it has this cool little chart down here. It compares each one of the materials and with the cost, kind of what it costs, obviously, and then the lifespan with highlights. So I kind of wanted to give the Jeep a best of the best, if not pretty dang close, and this is what I end up getting. I had a friend help me. His name is Dean. He helped change out the spark plugs and wires on the Jeep when we were doing it. It was a little bit difficult to reach the two back plugs on the Jeep just because of other components in the way, but overall it was a really easy process. Here is the Monster 360 V8. And then this is what the new wires look like. The Denso first time fit 7mm class. Very nice. Some of them were a little bit too long, but overall all of the wires were pretty good length. So that's what the new ones look like, and then I'll show you what the old ones looked like. This is what the old ones looked like. Let's see if it has a brand name on it, just to see. It just says high temp 7mm suppression, high temp. I thought this would be a much needed upgrade for the Jeep, and certainly it was. After installing the new plugs and wires, I could tell that the Jeep ran a little bit stronger, and I felt more confident driving. These are the wires that I went with. Got them all for 22 bucks. And then here are the features and benefits. If you want to pause the video right here, take a look. I'm gonna wrap the video up right here. If you found value in it, if you could, please give it a like. And if you're new to the channel, I hope you enjoyed this little video. And check out the other Wagoneer videos I have on the channel. I have a lot going on with the Jeep. I'm trying my best to restore it to as original as possible. So join along as I do just that. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch this video, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care.